Hi there and welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to be sharing a little DIY with you today. This is actually a DIY kit from the October kit, and I'm going to show you how I make this really cute little mini book, but it can also be used as like a really special greetings card, which is what I'm using it for today. So it opens out and you've got a little taggy bit as well which pulls in and out, and it's the other side, but you can turn it into a mini book, you can make it larger, you can add flaps, and there's just loads of things you can do with it, and that's what I'm showing you how to make today. I really hope that you enjoy today's creative video. I also wanted to point out that I've made a really silly mistake. I've done the video for this and I'm currently editing it, and I've realised I completely forgot to film a welcome, an intro to this video, so I'm just filming it now, but I've obviously made this already, and I just completely, I don't know where I went wrong there, but it's been one of those weeks. But this is what I'm making today. I hope you really enjoy it. Please let me know if you do, and let me know if you love making mini books, cards, anything like that. I'd love to know. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much. Right, so I'm going to make this really easy little card, and I'm going to fold over, and by making it like this, putting these two together, this will become a pocket. So I'm just going to stick down the three sides and pop that together, and then I can pull out the tag which will slot in between. I wanted you to see the sticky tape, the double-sided tape, so you could see how I've laid it. The one that I usually use on my gun, my sticky tape gun, is quite thick, but I had a roll of this tape, this sellotape, double-sided sticky tape, and that peels off really easily, as you can see, and that will work much better. And then I'm just going to pop this card on here. And now I have my little pocket. So you can decorate this as a mini book, or you can also decorate it as a card, which is like what I'm doing, like a card mini book. I am going to add an extra page there as well, I think. Let's see how many photos I've got. Leave it at that. I don't need the extra one. If you wanted to add an extra page, you can stick some card onto here and then fold it so it flaps in and out. I do want to show you another mini book that I've made before using the same kind of technique. This is a mini book that I made back in 2014 for Halloween, and it's exactly the same, using the cards just all stuck together to create that concertina effect. It's quite an old one now, but so it's a little bit tatty, but you can see exactly how that works. Some of the photos I've made larger, obviously adding embellishments, lots of journaling and photos. Like I said, it's a bit tatty now, it's a really old one, but it is a really cute way to make a mini book, and you just keep adding the thing. I think this was a square one actually, that was a small, slightly larger than this one, but you can see you just add more pages. Now the fun bit, before I start doing any photos or anything else, I'm going to cover the sides, each side, with some pattern paper from the kit. So I've marked off where I want to cut. I've got 6 spaces, so I'm going to do 3 different types of pattern paper, and I'm allowing a little bit of space around each one. And I'm actually going to cut all 3 papers together so that they are the same size. So these are the papers I've picked out. I've laid them out, and I'm actually going to use the lace from the kit as well, and I'm going to pop that underneath. So that's going to be the first thing that I stick in place, and I'm just going to add a little bit of tape across the center there. I don't want to do it all the way across because, as you saw, the paper isn't going all the way across, so I've just done it in the middle. And then work out which one you want on the front, and I'm going to have the hearts. Stick that in place, make sure it's the right way up if there's a pattern, And let's have that one in the middle, like that. And like I said, you can do this as like a greetings card kind of thing, like I'm doing, or a mini book. You could always do it to hold a gift card as well, which would be quite nice. I've just been doing another project over here, and I've managed to get paint on it, but that will obviously be covered up. And that looks really cute, doesn't it? So now I'm going to stick my other papers in place, and I think I'll do the heart in the middle, that one, just to alter it. What I realised is you only actually want the ribbon through these two here. This one stays ribbon free, then that way, I should have realised this before, when you close it you can tie it up like this, so it's nice and tidy. The other thing I've got from the kit as well, which I will be adding afterwards, there is a little piece of sticky Velcro, and that will also hold the book together, so you don't have to add ribbon if you don't want to. I'm now going to go around, decorate the book, add the photos, embellishments, and make it look pretty. Quote, and I've also printed off the wording that I'm going to use. I've decided to pop the quote on the rear side of the tag. I thought that would be quite cute. I don't know, I might change it. I'm not sure now, I'm having second thoughts. I'm not sure what I'm doing with the tag yet, but I think it's time to now to add the embellishments. Is going so well. I'm now at the stage where I'm going to grab my black pen, go around the outside and add any doodling and journaling and all that kind of thing. So all the black outlining is done, and I've had some journaling as well. I'm now just going to add the little Velcro dot just so it holds it together nicely, and this is obviously in the kit. To take it apart, pop one bit there, and I want it to stick on that side, so what I will do is stick it on there, so that way I know it's in the right place, and that holds it together like that. Then I've obviously got the little bit of ribbon as well, but that's more just so it looks pretty. So let's tie that up, and then I will give you a flick through the book. And this is just as an alternative to a special birthday card. Trim that down there. So let's have a look. Let's open that up. Let me know if you want to make one of these as well. I'd be interested to hear how you use your kit. There we go. That's obviously the centerpiece. And then I've made the tag here using that quote, and that's the back there. And then on the reverse as well. So I really, really hope that you've enjoyed that. You could always use watercolours on the white card behind to make it really, really colourful if you wanted. Or you could obviously cover the whole thing in patterned papers. You don't have to keep the white bits like what I've done. This is just what I fancied making. I really hope you've enjoyed watching me make this little tag book today, or greetings card as what I'm using it for today. I've had so much fun making it, and I really like getting creative in this kind of way, and it's lovely to make gifts for people as well that you know will really, really appreciate it. If you're getting one of the kits, let me know how you use it. You can obviously tag me in on Instagram, Lollipop Box Club, if you do make it, so I can see, or share photos within our Lollipop chat group, which I will also link up so you can go and have a look. Anyone is welcome. And I would love to see how you use the kit. I'll also link up the kit if you haven't got one but you're interested and want to see more about it, and I can link up the unboxing video for you as well so you can see everything that's in it. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. Please do share this video with any friends or family that you think will also enjoy it, and leave me a comment below and let me know if you're going to make one too. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye.